Hey guys, welcome to Car Talk. Today we will talk about Tesla Cybertruck. Tesla's Cybertruck is here, and the aftermarket is ready. Get used to seeing the Tesla as a blank canvas for accessories like Unplugged Performance's Up Invincible line. We're only just now getting to solidify in our minds what the actual production version of the Tesla Cybertruck electric pickup truck is going to be like, and the aftermarket is already out here bending our brains with fully decked out stainless wonder trucks. Take Unplugged Performance, one of the most established of Tesla tuners, and its Up Invincible line of overlandish Cybertruck accessories. If a stock Cybertruck is already a manifestation of Elon Musk's perfect apocalypse-ready vehicle fantasies, just get a load of it with a lift and some zombie-smashing push bars. Our first impression? The singular Cybertruck shape takes to off-road cosplay pretty well. The bigger carbon flares, the extra lighting, the gear hanging off the buttresses, why not? It's a bold, stainless canvas for customization, and we have a strong feeling a lot of Cybertruck owners are going to be eager to slather on the goodies. Tesla Cybertruck Up Invincible 2.5-inch lift kit. Some of the specific Up Invincible accessories seem compelling, albeit expensive. The 2.5-inch lift kit, a somewhat staggering $9,995 at list on Up's site, give the Cybertruck a towering stance that suits its imposing look. As Up notes, it may reduce range on the freeway, an unplugged upgrade that'll have owners more plugged in, so to speak, with extra charging. Who cares when you can look good? Tesla Cybertruck Up Invincible HD Rear Bumper. The modular rear bumper includes swing-out mall panels, good for, anything you'd like to attach, which is the point, and a spare tire carrier, which gets the spare out of the awkward, space-eating spot in the bed. It's listed at $3,995. But it'll be $900 more to add a swing arm and $195 to add the tire carrier. Tesla Cybertruck Up Invincible HD Front Bull Bar. The beefy bull bar is probably the aesthetic star of the show, giving the Cybertruck's bluff visage some visual interest. It's $1,995 and can work with either the stock plastic bumper or Up's own HD front bumper. The light bar is optional. Tesla Cybertruck Up Invincible Carbon Fiber Hood System. The carbon fiber hood is a very interesting piece. It doesn't replace the stainless hood, but rather attaches to it. And it features a duct, but the duct is really only there to ventilate the optional LED light bar. It's $1,995 and the light bar is an extra, gulp, $595. Tesla Cybertruck Up Invincible HD Roof Rack. Perhaps the most aesthetically questionable part of the line are the blocky bars that serve as the up roof rack system, which give the Cybertruck the look of a stepladder that's fallen over. Functional? Sure, but it ain't beautiful. Then again, you could say the same about the purposeful, bold, but definitely not classically pretty Cybertruck itself. It's $1,395, but if you want to hang the optional side mall panels off it, it'll be an extra $995. Tesla Cybertruck Up Invincible Starlink Mount. What kind of off-piste adventure truck would the Cybertruck be if you couldn't access Elon Musk's own Starlink satellite internet service? Pop on the $75 Starlink mount and you're good to go. Dish and service not included, of course. All kidding aside, Starlink makes a lot of sense for emergency comms and navigation in cell signal dead spots. Tesla Cybertruck Up Invincible Beadlock Wheels. Lastly, because it's a truck, there has to be a beadlock wheel option. Up delivers with a handsome-looking Up 03 forged 20-inch wheel. And they come wrapped in some serious BF Goodrich All-Terrain T/AK02 or HD Terrain T/AK Trubber. The beadlock package runs $1,952 to $2,290 depending on tire. That's just scratching the surface of what Up has for the Cybertruck, but more importantly, just a tiny nano sliver of what the aftermarket is going to whip up for the most anticipated truck of the last 4 years. The next Overland Expo is going to be wild.